Hi, welcome to Pinoy Mandala. Today I'm doing this tutorial on 5 nature theme mandala grid that I use in this wonderful artwork. So let's start with grid number 1. It looks simple, but it will give a beautiful texture in your work when you incorporate them in your circle or mandala. For the artwork that I showed to you a while ago, I did that in 6 by 6 watercolor paper and I used drawing pen number 2, 4, and 8. This is how you incorporate grid 1 in the first circle of your mandala. As you can see, I am doing this with almost complete sketch already. That's how I do it in my work. I start with the sketching before putting the ink or using the drawing pens. This is grid number 2 and it is inspired by a seedling that just sprouted from the ground. You can fill the background of the seedling with black, but in this case I decided to just use lines at the bottom and then I shaded the upper portion with black. This is how you incorporate grid number 2 in the mandala. Now let's move on to grid number 3. It is very simple. As you can see, it is just a leaf pattern, but it provides a different feel and look in the mandala as you put it there nicely. Grid number 4 is a bit complicated. It is inspired by flowers, but it's really fun to do. And for the final grid, it is like a plant with the sun on top of it. It symbolizes that plants, like most of other living forms, need sunlight to live. There you go. Here is our final output for the 5 nature theme mandala grids. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you try doing this after watching this video, you can share it to me on Instagram or you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please watch out for my next video and see my other work in Pinoy Mandala in Instagram. Salamat!